What you may not know is that we have practice exams. We have free practice exams and we have paid practice exams. You can go to our freebie page on the cco.us website, go in and look at the free practice exams, but we kind of iterate again and again and again. Take as many practice exams as you can get your hands on. And now we have a couple new ones that just got launched, the CRC practice exam and the CPB. So let me bring over the information on the CRC. You can see what it looks like to register for that. So if you click on it, this is what you're going to see. And we definitely want to help you prepare. These will answer probably all of your questions about the exam itself, everything that's going to be on the exam. It follows our proven method, very important. The CRC definitely gets paid out a little bit more. So that's good to know. All of this information we try to throw in so that it's helpful for you to get the certification that you need. The main thing is now we have an Amethyst, Carnelian. We use stones. I don't even know what color Carnelian is. Maybe it's yellow for red for cardinal, and garnet. Definitely garnets are red. So $29.95. That is really inexpensive for a practice exam, in my opinion. But if you have any questions about them, there you go. You can ask our FAQs. Oh, look, we always have those come on. Let me just bring this other one over for you to look at too. The CPB. This is the billing credential. And now we have more than one practice exam for the billing credential. I'm going to go ahead and just slide through this really quickly because you can look at this at your own leisure, but I wanted you to be aware of a couple things that are on these pages. One, all the questions that you're going to be asked about on these practice exams, as well as the exam when you sit for the credential. Looky there, billers, I was really shocked about the certification for a biller. Look how much that is, over $57,000. It's not something, I don't enjoy billing. Which I just went and spoke at the San Angelo local chapter, and one of the ladies that I've known for a very, very long time, she's a biller, and she goes, I can't believe you don't like it, because she loves it. So we have aquamarine, jade, and tanzanite now. So we have 3 practice exams, as well as I know we have a free, these are paid, the free CRC exam, but I think we have a free billing exam plus 3 practice exams. And again, FAQs if you need to know more about them. So wanted to let you know about that. Take advantage of as many practice exams as you can get your hands on. I don't know for these specialties if the AAPC has that many practice exams. For the CPC, I do know they do, but it's a lot harder to find practice exams for credentials that are considered core, but they're specialty in my opinion.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.